Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are beginning the second row of our current Teeny-Tiny Doily. First you want to lay out your piece and make sure that it is laying in accordance with your pattern. Then you check which side your string is coming out on. It's coming out on this side, so we're going to add this row first. To get us ready to add our first set of beads, we want to go through that bead that is above where our string is coming out. Then we will add our first circle in this order. And for me that is 4 high colors. That will be 4 greens. Then we see where our string is coming out. We want to go through that bead that is on the opposite side, going towards the bead our string is coming out of. And there we have added our first circle. And then in the next video I will show you how to add the remaining circles for this row, and I hope to see you there.